Here you're asked to write a balanced equation for the hydration of the following: CaCl2 solid, a strong electrolyte, CH3OH liquid, a non-electrolyte, and NH4OH a weak electrolyte. So pause the video and write those equations. Alright, so if we look at the first one, we're told that it is a strong electrolyte. So we know that it's going to break apart into the ions that make up this ionic compound. So we have a single arrow going to the right, and calcium always has a charge of +2, and it has a phase of AQ. And in the formula there are two chlorides, so we have a coefficient of 2 and the chloride. Each chloride has a -1 charge and a phase of AQ. Our equation is balanced by atoms, and if we look at the charge, calcium is +2, 2 chlorides of -1 is -2, the charge on both sides is 0. We're told that B is a non-electrolyte, so as we go from left to right, our chemical formula stays the same, and we're told that it's a liquid, so on the right it will be AQ. Then our last one, this one was a little tricky. We have a weak electrolyte, and so you had to identify NH4 plus was an ion and then OH minus was an ion. So this may have been a little bit tricky for you to figure out. On the quizzes will have these, will have the dissociation already figured out for you for the weak electrolytes. So on the left it's AQ, and on the right we have the two ions ammonium and OH, both in the AQ phase. And what's different from C and A is that in C we have the double arrow, which is what we use whenever a weak electrolyte is hydrated or dissolves in water.